How to watch DramaBox series for free. First of all, you can launch the DramaBox application in your mobile device. After you open it up on this homepage, you will see various movies that is available in DramaBox. So here, look for the name of the one or for the movies or series that you want to watch. For example, there is this movie or series right here that says Forever Watch a Lie. So if you want to watch that for free, you can close DramaBox. Now open up Chrome or the Google Chrome in your mobile device. Then head towards the search bar and you can type in the name of the series or movie from the DramaBox that you have searched or seen recently. Now once you type in the name of the movies or series, at the end, make sure to type in Daily Motion. Then search for it. Now you can watch this movie right here. That's the way to watch DramaBox series for free. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.